Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Speaking-lish podcast. Today we will talk about 10 of the most common phrasal verbs in English, with examples. Let's start. The first phrasal verb of today is add up. That refers to the action of adding. Let's check an example. We added up the apples. There were 12. Very good. Now let's check an informal meaning of add up. It means to not make sense, or when something not makes sense. For example, his story just didn't add up. Very good. And let's continue. Number 2, blow up. It means to explode or cause to explode. For example, they blew the car up. This phrasal verb even means to a feeling. Let's check the example. When I said I couldn't go to her party, she blew up. Oh, come on. Another meaning, to fill with air. For example, I will blow up those balloons. Very good. Number 3, bring up. To care for a child as he or she grow up. For example, we were brought up to be polite. Very good. Another meaning of this phrasal verb is to mention or introduce a subject. For example, they brought up the issue of money to the conversation. Very good. Number 4, carry on. To continue doing something. For example, sorry I interrupted. Carry on talking. Very good. Number 5, come up with. It means to find a solution. For example, we finally came up with a solution to the problem. Excellent. Let's continue. Number 6, come across. It means to seem or appear to be. For example, she comes across as confident. Okay, let's continue with another meaning. When you meet someone by chance or by coincidence. For example, Luis was leaving the fruit shop when he came across Tom. What a coincidence! Very good. Excellent. Number 7, get along. Well, if 2 or more people get along, they like each other and are friends. For example, Karen and Diane don't get along. Oh my god. Another meaning, to manage or deal with a situation. For example, how are you getting along in your new job? Okay, let's continue. Number 8, get away. To leave or escape from a place or person. For example, we walked to the next beach to get away from the crowds. Very good. Another phrasal verb, get over. It means to recover from something. For example, have you heard? David has gotten over COVID-19. What an amazing news. Very good. And the last phrasal verb of today is give up. It means to stop trying. For example, don't give up hope. Very good. And never give up, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to Speak English, leave a like and a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.